This video is about how to do inline image quality control with Omniscan, OSQM tool, and an object level target. What you need for this is Zeutschel Omniscan 12.12, SR2 in the latest version. Then you need Zeutschel OSQM tool, and very important that the optional feature SW259 image quality control on the fly. This has to be enabled. This is an option for OSQM tool. And last but not least, of course, you need an object level target like that one here, golden thread target from Don Williams, or the target number T263 from Image Engineering. So since we know what it needs, we want to see how it works. So here we have a typical job for a library, a book, left side and right side, 2 pages. And in addition to these 2 pages we want to save, we have defined a third clip which contains the object level target. The object level target we have arranged in the focus level on the scanner in the same area than the book is digitized. If we now look into the settings of Omniscan of the clips, then we can see that the clip 1 is coupled with the object level target of clip 3. The clip 2 is also coupled with the object level target of clip 3. And last but not least, the clip 3 is the object level target itself. So it means it is indicated as an object level target. This clip will not be saved. It will just taken for analysis. If we now run the scan, the 2 pages will be scanned, the 2 clips will be stored to disk, and the object level target will be sent to our scan tool for image quality analysis. And it immediately comes back with an information if the quality level is passed or if the quality level has failed. If it's passed, then we get a green indication here underneath our thumbnails. So the number of the thumbnail turns into green, and also there is a small green tick box in front of the number of the thumb. So let's see what happens in case of a fail. We start the scan, and this time I didn't close the book plates, I didn't press the book plates correctly onto the glass plate, and we'll see what happens now. And then the analysis is carried out, and we have immediately red indication, a red cross in front of our 2 clips. To get more details, we can switch to the OSQM tool, and then we have all the details in here. This is the last analysis it did from the last clip, and we can see easily that this time, so the delta L was out of the specification, and more important, the modulation transfer function. So the resolution is out because we were not in the focus level in that case. This means this is a very strong indication that this scan would be unsharp too, and it would not further be used in the job. So I can close the book cradle correctly and do a rescan. So this time everything is in the focus level, and I do a rescan, and after the rescan is finished, I will probably get 2 green results and the images are valid again. Now we want to have a look into the setup of this image quality control. So we enter the settings dialog again, but this time we refer to the quality management settings of Omniscan. And of course, everything we store here is saved in this job. This also means that we can save this job as an express mode job, and we can redo the settings later on at a mouse click. So first of all, we have to tell Omniscan where it can find the OSQM tool. This is the path to the OSQM tool we have in here. So we typically select it by browsing it, and we select the OSQM tool exe. Then we want to say them that it has to do the quality control by the means of an object level target. And of course, we need the parameters of the quality. So it means that the OSQM tool gets the set of parameters which it uses for analyzing the image quality. In that case, I made some special arrangement on the golden thread analysis, and I tuned them to verify metamorphose light. So we select them here. Then we have a protocol file. So the protocol file is the written information in a text file about the image quality results. And this typically is stored into the same job we are using here. And then last but not least, we have some more information. And as you know that the interface in between the OSQM tool and the Omniscan is a server interface, we have to enter here the localhost address and the port number 80. In case that the OSQM tool will be on a different computer on a server, it also will work, but then you have to punch in here the server address. And then we can use also the tick box for show image equality messages. So the messages which are generated by OSQM tool also can be brought to site in the Omniscan. And with these settings, it will look like this. In case of a fail or an error, we will immediately get a message displayed on the screen, which gives us an information out of the OSQM tool. In that case, for example, we have both clips, left and right clips, in error condition due to the fact that this time the book cradle was not completely closed, and we get the indication here on the thumbnails. We have the red cross, which means we have a fail. In addition to these features, we can use the Omniscan Metadata functionality to bring the information about the image quality into the TIFF tags. So what I did two new metadata, which is the image quality for clip 1 and the image quality for clip 2. And now I enter the value for that. Means, for example, at that time we have tested on Metamorphose Lite exactly. And we have to watch out for the correct, that's the OLT result. This means %M. And we are using that as clip specific. We put this metadata to clip 1. And we're using that in addition on the TIFF tag number 270, which is the image description. And for the clip number 2, we are doing the same things. So we are taking this out. We are copying it. We are taking it in here. But we do this clip specific for clip 2. And we use also this as TIFF tag number 270. So what now happens is, this is okay, because we have set this into the current existing files already. So we will do a rescan, and then we'll see what happens. So this is okay. It automatically prompts us, and if we now go into the TIFF tag viewer and we look into the latest ones we have made, these are the ones down here, then you can see that we have under TIFF tag number 270, we have the value Metamorphose Lite was passed. And now we want to get rid of the prompt for metadata. So we go into the settings again, we go into the metadata again, and we take out the tick box ask for each clip for clip 1, and we take it out for the clip 2 in addition, and then we say OK. And then further, we will not more be prompted for the metadata entry. So because we don't have to change there anything, and it will automatically take over the metadata into the TIFF tags. So in addition, you can see also the image information in here. So metadata, in that case, for clip number 2, Metamorphose Lite was passed. And again, we have not been prompted again for the metadata, but if we go in the latest image, that was clip 25, then we still have it in here.